Hello, greetings, lovely people. You're welcome to today's episode on Live Healthy with Syndrome ID. All right, today's episode I'm going to be talking to women, yes, on excessive, salt intake. Okay, make sure you watch this video to the end, like, share, and make sure you follow my instruction on this video to reduce your visit to your doctor and
Hey,
save
woman,
costs.
it's not everything that you wash with salt. Yes, I'm talking to women that cook. You wash vegetable with salt, you wash fruit with salt, you wash so many things with salt, not even that you apply smaller quantity. Some women use whole lot of salt to wash vegetable that is gonna pass through fire heat. And also when they're washing fish, they use a lot of salt. When they're washing meat, they use a lot of salt. Hey, come on, don't you know that salt contributes to high blood pressure? The rate of high blood pressure is very high these days. Men, watch what your women cook. Watch them. If it's possible, stay there with them when they're cooking. If they don't want to hear you, tell them to stop using too much salt to cook. You use salt while boiling the fish. Sorry, use salt while washing the fish or the meat. You also use salt while parboiling it. You also use salt inside the soup or the stew you want to cook with the meat or fish. Hey, come on, and you're complaining of high blood pressure. Hey, God. Men, start checking what your wives cook, how they cook, prepare what you eat. Yes, because a lot of people have been dying of high blood pressure and other sicknesses, forgetting that excess salt contributes to high blood pressure. Women, we need to be careful the way we prepare our meals. Okay, in as much as it's good to maintain hygiene, and also it's good to use salt to wash some things, but it's not everything you wash with salt, especially something that is passing through fire heats. My fellow women, we don't need excessive salt to kill all the germs. Please, let's be mindful of the things we use in cooking and all that. Honestly, especially this sort of a thing, I feel I should just lay more emphasis on it. You must have heard about it, but I want to throw light more on it, because when we make that mistake of using excessive salt to cook, wash in one pot, we eat it, our husbands eat it, our children eat it. By the time you know it, everybody is getting sick at the same time, which is not really good for us. Okay, please, let's be mindful of our salt intake. At least let's do our part and leave the rest for God. This is all I have for you on today's episode on Living Healthy with Syndrome ID. See you in my next video. Bye.